Hello Bearcats, coming up on Cats News, choir caroling, piano recitals, Stuco fundraisers, and more. I'm Carlos and you're watching Cats News. The Sherman High School Choir is lighting up the season with their voices. Our Sherman High School Choir went out caroling to all our elementary schools and living facilities, spreading cheer across Sherman ISD. Here are some clips showing you guys how that went. This Tuesday, SHS hosted its first ever piano recital of piano class students. A total of 5 students prepared and performed pieces that they had learned. Each student played a special holiday arrangement and demonstrated the techniques taught by Mr. Heading. The senior class officers are selling candy grams to raise funds for the senior class. You can purchase these in the cafeteria stage this week and next week during all lunches. This past Tuesday, our girls basketball teams played against Van Austin. Here are the final scores. Freshmen 17-12, JV 24-34, and varsity 40-15. We'd like to congratulate the freshmen for their win and JV and varsity for their hard work. Our top scorer for varsity was number 4, Marissa, with a total of 9 points. This month, the Claw Award winners were selected. Let's give a round of applause for Colin Mackin and Shawnee Shepard. Midterm exemptions for juniors and seniors are due Monday. Students are eligible for exemptions if they have over an 80 in a class, have no outstanding fees, and no unexcused absences. If students are exempt from every class, they do not have to attend school the day of semester exams. However, if they have even 1 or 2, they will have to attend and stay in the cafeteria during periods in which they are exempt to use a study hall and take their given exams. This Saturday, December 7th, our annual Christmas parade is going down to start the winter season. This year's theme is a superhero Christmas. Bring your holiday spirit and see amazing floats, all celebrating our favorite heroes of the season. Starting at 6 p.m. in downtown Sherman. Make sure you head out and enjoy the show, but remember to always stay warm. This week's wellness tip is all about our mental health check-in and how important it is to keep maintaining an overall well-being. By taking the time to reflect on ourselves, we promote self-awareness and ensure we are ready to handle life's challenges effectively. That's all we have for this week's Cats News. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.